Hello children, so welcome for today's crack NEET MCQs in biology. First chapter, the living world MCQs we can learn now. The first question, biological organization starts with A. Cellular level, B. Organismic level, C. Atomic level, D. Submicroscopic molecular level. The correct answer is D. Submicroscopic molecular level. The second question, select the correctly written scientific name of mango which was first described by Carolus Linnaeus. So you can see four options A, B, C and D. So here the correct option for that is C, Mangifera Indica, Linn. The third question, which of the following is against the rule of ICBN? A. Handwritten scientific names should be underlined. B. Every species should have a generic name and a specific epithet. C. Scientific names are in Latin and should be italicized. D. Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. So the correct answer for that is D. Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. That is the against rules of ICBN. Then the fourth question, nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. So which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? A. The names are written in Latin and italicized, and B. When written by hand, the names are to be underlined. C. Biological names can be written in any language. D. The first word in a biological name represents the genus name and the second is a specific epithet. The correct answer for that is C. Biological names can be written in any language. For each and every question, children, explanation is given in description box. You can go and find out why the answer is correct. The full explanation you will get from there. Fifth question, ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. B. International Congress of Biological Names. C. Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature. D. Indian Congress of Biological Names. The correct answer is A. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Then the sixth question, Biosystematics aims at A. The classification of organisms based on broad morphological characters. B. Delimiting various taxa of organisms and establishing their relationships. C. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. D. Identification and arrangement of organisms on the basis of their cytological characteristics. The correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. Then the seventh question, the book Genera Plantarum was written by A, B, C, D. So here four authors are given. So the correct answer, that is Bentham and Hooker. That is the correct answer. The eighth question, Linnaeus is credited with binomial nomenclature, B. Theory of biogenesis, C. Discovery of microscope, D. Discovery of blood circulation. The correct answer is binomial nomenclature. Then the ninth question, Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called mononomial, B. Vernacular, C. Binomial, D. Polynomial. The correct answer is binomial. 10th one, the term new systematics was introduced by Bentham and Hooker, B. Linnaeus, C. Julian Huxley, D. A.P.D. Candle. So the correct answer is Julian Huxley. that is C is the correct answer. Then the next 11th question. So here two columns are given. So column 1 and column 2. Read carefully the columns and later you have to match the things found in column 1 with column 2. So A, B, C, D, it has been given in column 1. In column 2, so Roman letters 1, 2, 3, 4 are given. So you join along with each and every one and find the correct answer in the option given below. The correct option is A. A is the correct answer. Then 12th question. The common characteristics between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their A. family, B. order, C. division, D. genus. The correct answer is family. 13th question. So which one of the following organisms is scientifically correctly named, correctly printed according to the International Rules of Nomenclature and correctly described? So A. Musca domestica, the common name of house lizard, a reptile. B. Plasmodium falciparum, so protozoan pathogen causing the most serious type of malaria. C. Felis tigris, the Indian tiger protected in Gir forests. So E. coli, the full name of Entamoeba coli, a commonly occurring bacterium in human intestine. So B is the correct answer, Plasmodium falciparum. Then the 14th question. Which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular taxonomic category? You can see A. tiger, tigris, that is the species. B. Cuttlefish-mollusca class. Humans, primata family. Housefly, musca, that is order. The correct answer is A. tiger, tigris, that is species. Then the 15th question. Species are considered as a real basic unit of classification. B. The lowest units of classification. C. Artificial concept of human mind, so which cannot be defined in absolute terms. And D. Real units of classification devised by taxonomists. The correct answer is A. Real basic units of classification. Then the 16th question. So which of the following is less general in characters as compared to genus? So A. species, B. division, C. class, D. family. The correct answer is A. species. 17th. Taxon is the unit of a group of order. B. taxonomy, C. species, D. genes. The correct answer is B. taxonomy. 18th question. Here the sequence it has been given, children. So you can read carefully. The sequence of taxonomic categories is. So you have to, the arrangement. So which arrangement is correct? You have to see A, B, C, D. 4 arrangements it has been given. The correct answer is C. That is division, class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. This is the correct arrangement. Next question. The term phylum was given by A. Cuvier, Haeckel, Theophrastus, Linnaeus. 4 scientists' name it has been given. The correct answer is Haeckel. B, that is the correct answer. Then next question. A group of plants or animals with similar traits of any rank is A. species, B. genus, C. order, D. taxon. The correct answer is D. taxon. A taxon is a group of related families. B. a group of related species. C. a type of living organisms. D. a taxonomic group of ranking. The correct answer for this is D. taxonomic group of any ranking. Next question. Basic unit of smallest taxon of taxonomy, that is classification, is A. species, B. kingdom, C. family, D. variety. The correct option is A species. A species is the correct answer. Next one, static concept of species was put forward by, here 4 scientists they have given: A. Decanel, B. Linnaeus, C. Theophrastus, D. Darwin. The correct answer is B. Linnaeus. Here the 24th question, here 2 columns are given, column 1 and column 2. So when you observe here, for each word, the description it has been given. What is herbarium? What is key? What is museum? What is a catalogue? Okay, they have given the description. So for this column 1, we have to find the correct description and we have to match it. So accordingly, you have to find the correct answer. The matching answer is D, that is 3. First is 3. Then A, for A, the answer that is 3. For B, the answer is 4. And C, the answer is 1. Okay, and for D, the answer is 2. So like that. So D is the correct answer. Then 25th question, the label of a herbarium sheet does not carry an information on date of collection, name of the collector, local names, height of the plant. So the correct answer is the height of the plant. A herbarium sheet does not carry the information on height of the plant. 26th question, so which one of the following is not a correct statement? So is not a correct statement. So a museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. Key is the taxonomic aid for identification of specimens. C. Herbarium houses dried, pressed, preserved plant specimens. C. Botanical gardens have collection of living plants for reference. The correct answer is A. A museum has, that is the collection of photographs of plants and animals. It is not a correct statement. Then 27th question. So one of the most important functions of botanical gardens is that A. They provide beautiful area for recreation. B. One can observe tropic plants there. C. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. D. They provide the natural habitat for wildlife. The correct answer is C. So they allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. Hope children you must have understood whatever questions I explained for you. If you don't know why the answer is correct, you can go to the description box. Explanation it has been given for you. Thank you children. We will meet in the next class.